Hey everyone, welcome to IB Scholar Prep. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Let's start again GRE Quant series, and we will discuss again one problem here which involves algebra. So again it's quantitative comparison. You have to compare two quantities, quantity A and B, and let's see how we can work on this. Now as you see, there are two quantities and two variables to compare with P and Q. So how do we approach that? Now the first one, just to make life easy, I could write it 2p plus q whole square, and let's plug in some numbers to make life simpler. So if I say p is, for an example, let's say 1 or q is 2, so what happens here? Let's look at that. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 4. So if you do that, 2 into 1 plus 2 whole square, that's 4 square, that gives you 16. Now if you put the same number over there, what happens? You simply say 1 plus 2 3 into 4 into 1 4 plus 2, so 3 into 6 you get 18. Now currently if you look at the picture, we see 18 is bigger than 16, which means my answer look like quantity B. So when you say quantity B, you should cross off straight away your option of A and C, because that's not going to be possible. Now let's try out some other number. Now one thing to keep in mind, as you could see, that's a square, right? So that will always going to be positive. But now I am looking for to make quantity A bigger. So can I put some numbers in quantity B which will offer me a negative value? Let's look at that. Let's say if we just reverse the values, if we say P is, let's say for an example, minus 2 and Q is 3, so what happens? How much you get here? You say minus 2 to minus 4 and plus 3. So you simply say 2 into minus 2 plus 3. So minus 1 square, that's eventually 1. If we do it there, what's happening? Minus 2 plus 3, and that's minus 8 plus 3. So this is 1 over minus 5. So I get minus 5, right? Which means quantity A look like bigger right now. So in that situation, I have to also eliminate option choice B. So that's where we will say the correct answer for this problem is going to be answer D. Relationship cannot be determined. So that's your answer here. I hope you understood this. That's the way to do it, right? Somehow it looks a bit complicated, but always when you have a variable, try to observe the problem. Most of the time you will end up marking D as a choice, and that's going to be correct most of the times, not always. So you'll have to be 100% sure when you're marking either quantity B or quantity A that you're getting bigger on all the values. So that's it from my side. I hope you understood this example. If not, you can reach out to me on this number and on this email ID. I will be happy to help you. Thank you very much.